zibiri zonka.
Otaruga mboro na sakwanga kwata na basakwanga kwata. Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Yes, hello.
Wasibo tasabo.
Sibirege sabo.
Osibirege.
Ego.
Amazina gawe ni bakwetoha.
Amazina n'abanyita Kapa Steven.
Kapa Steven no manyo wakuterera.
Ego no arebye Westini.
Aha. Waboria TV.
Ego
nozana kazano chamuka na sente.
Uzima na kazano bakike gukora ugamba nazana.
Are you sure?
Wena sure.
Wakazana saheji.
Ego wenda kungangira.
Hey. Aha, bazo ngambire. Kamesa jiwakareba. Banzo checking ho no manya ku checkinga. Check. Checking. Kiza. Nikajira ngwenchi. Emitwara tano. Kata kurra karuru to ina matwenje. Kana huromu tondizaho. Na huromu tondizaho noha. Noha kuri yarubazwaho.
Mweno tarindaho terasta bibira chatu na mnana star ishatu star ikumi hash oyegito mukazano bugahati akarone kagambwaho buri hamwe.
Vesto murunji wasiba kurunji twakutangerera ishaha nibiri zeciro kandi neshaha eyamakuru agacencwire rizuba nizuba ry'urwa kashatu 2011 byokwezi kwa kashatu omwaka ogw'2026 ntukusima abo kutakire kawe okureba amakuru agacencwira gutwakurundane rizoberi orikuzaga gusehonde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian no Rumi urwo bubonero konkatagaga kuretira mbwijure reka tubanze tukorece bikore byija bwebembire kandi nabwanyuma tugakusihomba ijure
yamakuru ne kushikibwaho
Livestock wine the taste that lasts ne kurwa basiga investment limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga
blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros Foam mattresses, be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of beauty.
Omugacencwire kireki police omurishema yanagiso mushumendi 3 timu yabebembezi ba Rwampara yahika hamyanya iteganisi bwihunga abarisa n'abashubuzi bino kwatwaho ahabwe mihendo y'amate okuhindahinduka
emito y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Livestock wine the taste that lasts ne kurwa basiga investment limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga
Refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros Foam mattresses be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of beauty.
Kare ntongera kutangira omakuru gita Agacencwire kutokurundana rizoberi oruga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian nowo rumi orwo bonero. Polisi ya Shema Central Station Kabwohe einenti shato mu kibuga cyayo ezena jiso mushumanyu mwabazyo kandi nangwana n'egishaha makama wentezo takarebekere.
ASP Kasore Consalanta omudumizi wa polisi ahabwa Shema district yatugira ngo entezi bazikwasire nyumwe abazi bw'omushijo tamanyirwe mazina abire naziguza zona miliyoni 8 mu katare ka Kagango omuri Shema kuba mu burize kina kiriya yeruka yabuza misho
twineho entishatu tuzirika baringiro ku rugo mu katare tubane kikomera twice a month so tuzirika baringiro ku rugo mu kikomera konka up to now since Monday tukarebere na the owner of the cow so twazirangisa twazito groups za community muri Shema na nahandi so ko kureba obuzirwe ko kureba ngo obuzirwente otutukirire turebe kubanizawe ozitware
abebyo kwerinda muri Shema bajumerera obushuma bw'amatungo oburukweyongera
obushuma bwente ningo bw'amatungo it is not a good thing so tulion tuchirwanisa now if we recover cows and it had someone identify them in 20 shoverwa so in most cases tolatoronente ninga twazinagisa abashuma we always call upon the owners to follow it up
abantu mugende mpakase omukifo cyo kukwata ente y'omuntu mazima gipakisa akajora akajikuza ukajiba kandi ukiza kugisubura mu kagisubura laisi no ba wakoresa ruso mutungi no wamaramwa amana abatungi bente
hona barisa bashabwo kongera obukume bw'amatungo gabo naboro umuntu kwetaba umuhururu eyo kurwanisa umuzogo.
So the beauty would be kokurebo ina matungo gawe once in a while get up and check. Call your neighbors. Call your neighbors and if you find something suspicious kukubugana kintu chona chota chenga nkobu terra neighbor kokubugana abantu. You don't have the phone number of your neighbor. The cows sleep very far from home. A cow 4 million sleeps outside.
Oba hat police kiriyone ronda mukama wente no kwiganya kuziba gasha kwa Michael atwachire
Michael atwachire twagumuzama namakuru aharwo kubanza umucuro enjura y'umuyaga nihunga ikashocereza ibintu umugombora yabgambo mu wa district ya Rwampara kandi rizuba timu yabebembezi haba district ya Rwampara bacera okurambara emyanya y'abantu basisikarirwe ibintu byabo.
Nyuma abazyo tkorekero makuru gita Agacencwire enjura y'ihungo kwecekerize bintu muri Bugamba Rwampara East Constituency mu district ya Rwampara
amizi baza kwija gatware oshozi ruona kandi ruize rushweka abana bitu
Elizoba timu kurga district ya Rwampara bakomyanya sisikarirwe bintu n'emihanda kandi bajyanwe bazakora report no kutereza emihanda sisikire
tija ha mwanya aha kandi twashanga ishomero rya Bugamba ugarutibirwa umuyaga amabati gona gargaho classroom blocks ezakare nkuru kandi twarebana n'enguto ezibrokingirwa amabare carvats zijura amabare
ati mbere ni service ngaro ni konkate norebo rutocho kurwaba mwene tindu kumanya government cyera base kutuyamba baba banka basharamu okutsasara ninga bakasharamu bakatugumisarroza konkani njera ngwebe ni nkebigwe biteka tekire
ikanisa compound yo nayijura amabare ayo neyo ku kiriyaringwa so nibyo tureba kandi twazakora report to assessing then tuhereze district leadership report eri comprehensive.
Abati bahana engineer wa district ya Rwampara yashabanya Rwampara kwejumbiro mukubyare mito mu nshozi n'egenderwa cyo kucendeze mitungeri kwije inamani.
Twageze uko assessinga kandi twareba na muno ahasisikire uruguru akahariye bibera kandi bibera bakabitemo so amizi emiyaga ke kwija teine cyo kubreaking nehikane hatwara so umuyaga nukahitinga munonga abo kwa ko comparinga wara section zizirumwe imiti zote zitirwe munonga
emyaka nkamushanje nyuma kikaba cyabireho konka bantatu bakasimba imiti noreba environment emiti ni mingi ugani ngira ngushana n'umuyaga gw'imyaka season
ndi Antatkunda
Anita Atkunda kandi nshashana n'abantu abona basisikarirwe ibintu byabo babarisa n'abashubuzi b'amate bino kwatwaho abw'imihendo y'amate okugumizamo nehindahinduka kandi ikintu ekibera kirize ebina nebindi bigambirwa mugombore yakahunge erikushangwa omu district ya Kamwenge kandi abana bagira ngo embereji yegumizemo okucumba gizemerimo yabo.
Abashubuzi b'amate nibegitira hansi y'ikigombe cya Kamwenge Dairy Farmers kandi aba batandukanye ikigendera cyo kubasa kutungura umushuburo gw'amate.
Wareta kwama amatega ukuruga munte ugareta hano kikwanguhira hakwano norindo bwire wayikanu nibakira amate twama kwakira amate tugahandika ofuno bwire kuguza gukora imirimo ndijo hatireterera wakora imirimo wareta hano kandi wagaruka gukora n'imirimo ndijo kusinga kuza mu muhanda katembera kumara amasha mingi ningo bwire bwinji kuri umuhanda kutembera ukashanga n'ibindi byo wakabera wakora byaremo
dai tutakataniche dayale amatagi tukakatine higari kusa tukaguza ekikopo hakindi kandi amate gadibu tugata cyonka hate na dedali izi tukaguza tuyamakasente kandi twata amata.
Abantu bagira ngo kurugana batandike ntekatekeji ebasize kuhera cyangwa kutungura omutindo gw'amate ngo agwo kuba batura mu cyangeki bakabana bejumbera omirimo ndijo etine ntasya
ndena matobwiro ugakanga imache kurekane yachira amate kabita bwizo baritasi koka etekujanza jezebisikanya n'amatega agenda bigakanya twaika kwakira ukumi este kwakira hati mwene zitekateko citu no kugira ngo twase kwefura takayitu yo kutwara amategitu tugenda reka cooperative tugira tugatwara mu katari Kampala twase kuyamu esente nyinshi aho tuyamu joma abarisa bitu nitubashashure sente nyinshi
habei yaberero sikopo twati kuza shinji tanu daire takizira cyonka hati ritani shinji kandi buri ukanubiza ubundi gadiba ubura kuzitungira mu ndugumu cyonka hati nibakaha ya period ebu 15 uija uzitungira mu ndugumu ukintu cyawe cy'urukundo.
Abantu bagira ngo hinduka kw'emihendo y'amate n'iki cyumba gizentasiye yabo kandi benda government ewero gukora ahakizubweki
kitwina iterekero bya netoje kuza kujifuna muzambarara every week hatu kugira ngo muzambarara buri week icyo nacyo kikubero wale mesi cyo hatubera nk'abantu abo tuyamu ari yecu mazima ibintu nibishemye kandi twoyetengire dari yete tunguka munonga tuzaharurengo tujya nka banka ngweno ati wano inanka kasente ko kwehora takasi wano cyumba tero kuzahare cyonka banka twatugine nkoma aho nuganyirwamo ihaya kasente ya business zindi wakora uyongeraho
ubwahate bei y'amate negumezamu okuhinduka burkanya kandi abantu bagira ngo nikiretwa empindahinduka ya season bitu nibenda government ekume mihendo ereke kuteganisubwa za season. Amakuraga gashakwa Anthony Atwine wa TV West.
Webare Anthony Atwine umurebi witu wa TV West murungi tukusima aho rukuturebera hona kandi webare na noktora na kureba TV West studio makuru gacenshire konka twaza kubanza tumure ukace tujagaruka n'amakuru gandi.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumna na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tukizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara keke tukaza kunyumbo.
Nawa pensiyo na nesente konga tanyuire mbogo. Nikushekere nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka. Oyine naba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Mama owulira otya?
Kulira sanyo lingi nnyo.
Banange
MTN beyanziza.
Tata omwana ogenda mugambako oba wali wano?
Taliwo. Sente zembadde ngenda okusasula ku school fees z'omukulu zigenda kunyambako okuweerera batoobe abalala ababiri. MTN mama genkoledde kinene ngasinga omumaamu sirijjerabira obulamu bwange bwonna.
Ngenda kusibira kusasula school fees nyiga star 155 star 80 ashi sasula school fees ngokozesa momo school funds masomo tugenda zigaba osobola okwewola waliwo school fees loan genda ofune loan oba tolinawo sente ozisasule mu bbanga mpola mpola obulamu butambulenga buli koona.
Ebiro bikuru ebi shebebona abanyamukago mutwagana ekyo kunywa kya Livestock wine. Livestock wine ne yawe n'omukundo wawe iwe n'abanywana bawe iwe n'eka yawe hakivulo. Livestock wine, the taste that lasts. Yakorwa Basiga Investment Limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga tera noti musanzu ibiri mukaga na mukaga notina atanitano.
Reka nkwanjurira Ibanda Secondary School. Ibanda Secondary School ni ishomero ry'abojo erukushangwa Kagongo Division Ibanda Municipality rirya hamusingwe Kereziya kandi ryebemberwa abanyadini aba Brothers of Christian Instruction. Nitwebembezo kutina ruhanga okubaje kwa beji ebyo bwegese ni class ya higuru kandi ombye mzano tino rukutwingana. Nitsima bazire abeji abegesa nabebembezi bishomereri abokora kurunje bigezo ebyihanga buri mwaka. Okwika rurengo rw'ihanga ombye mzano nka football, volleyball, chess na basketball kandi bakayikana rurengo rwa East Africa ombya debate. Nitsima old boys ahabo kukunda no kuhagira ishomero bakatombekere cyayi cyo murembe kandi ntubakira habwe byemzano yabo eri kuza kuhendera ishomere birabiro na kimwe kwa kasha 2026 turiyo ntitebekanisa kujaguza emyaka nkaga kwihishomere ritandika ronchi nebiri 12
omukwa mukaga 2026.
Ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazimo rya hano bariyo bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansugo mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo gujara kunywa
mucyara unam utatina ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufondorira kahurire
Kamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeze we nako kishahemu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatuka kabisira hanga waje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara n'abagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende n'abagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS.
In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with Sakina, your du'as be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose foam mattresses be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
Ubutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo na namakuru agacencwire agishicwe keki inganzi yihanga Robina Nabanja Elizuba yabugana habebembezi abebina bibyo butegeki 11 omuyihanga ebyarondire President Museveni Akaruru omukaruru akakahwire orukikoru rwaba aha office y'enganzi yihanga omuri Kampala.
Enganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja yasime bina byo butegeki abwo kundi ihanga ryabo bakacamba karonda President Museveni Akaruru.
Using my powers as the Prime Minister of the Republic of Uganda, I will do what I can within my powers, and then the President, I believe, will also do what he can. So in brief, this meeting shows you that the government of Uganda, under the wise leadership of His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, recognizes your contribution.
So if there is a word patriotism that exists in Uganda, you are more patriotic than some of us who would go for campaigns. Let me first conclude the sentence. Who would go for campaigns, but at the end of the month, I have a bank to go to get a salary. So you are more patriotic than we.
Isaac Ojoko, member w'ikibina cha Uganda People's Congress na jangu bakacamu kushajika President Museveni abwo kujangwa ino bushoborozi bwo kutwara ihango misho.
Our key message number 1, Madam Right Prime Minister, 1 was the gain given to us by His Excellency the President. Right Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency gave us sustainable peace that we are enjoying in northern Uganda today.
The reason we are here today is for us to reflect on the journey that we took together and see how best we can do it better next time. And where possible, we want you to join government so that we can do and implement some issues in our manifesto together.
Stella Bira Nambuya, President wa Deliberate Vote Kandor Kwebembera Republic Women and Youth Party na Young President Museveni akabataru kubasa kugerageranisibwa n'abandi babire besimbireho.
We had to make our flags move higher and higher to show the world that the candidate we are promoting is a genius. Even if you are to consider all presidents in Africa, he's the most senior and he's the most strategic. And he's a president who can transit Uganda and Africa for the common good. Thank you so much.
These presidents, the leaders of political parties, Right Honorable Prime Minister, contributed money to make sure that the Alliance's strategic plan is implemented as it was planned. We thank you very much.
Ebine byashakira President Museveni hamwe Uganda People's Congress UPC, the Democratic Party DP, Uganda Patriotic Movement na Social Democratic Party hamwe n'ebindi. Amakuru agasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze.
Webare Thomas Tumwebaze bo mu district y'Isinjiro abakazi bashabwe kufayo munonga okureba ngo babicaranye ense yabo okushabuku kwahwebwayo RDC wa Isinjiro obuyaba nabuganaho omubutongore obuyaba nayiguraho mu butongore obuhereza bwa Rone ya Agro erukwebwa sako ya Ebo.
Obuhereza bwa Rone ya Agro okurwa mu World Bank okurabira mu government ya Uganda ahabo kutungura abakazi Ebo sako katungo mugisha kuhebwa government ya Uganda billioni na milioni 50 okuzaha abakazi okwetungura amagoba make.
Okuyija wazu tusaba tukubuza no gukora kandi tukishabe kibakweta budget ninga plan yesente ezuwashaba. Sente zinono zishashura buri kwezi. Sirima amagoba gazo. Amagoba ni 10% per annum.
Rizoba Ebo sako yatongoza obuherezo bo mu district y'Isinjiro kandi abakazi bashaba kugikoresa kutungura business zabo.
Program na chikura omu Ebo sako financial services etorimwe kubasa kurabwa musente za Agro kandi nakikora umutongore omunisindiro district ngenda kubanza kusima Apple Bank Apple Sacco Financial Services okushanga baza kubatorana nkasako mu Western Region ngumubase kuba niyo mwahereze sente za group abakazi bakarugomboro icyo ngereka government bine mu Westje mwine good accountability na transparency.
And I want to thank the NRM government to open all doors to our brothers and sisters, the refugees. And the Sinjiro district is a host community. This is a settlement. We allow all people to come in and we really work together.
Abakazi hona bashomesebwa kubine koresa sentezi.
Kino muntu arikubaza kubana biko mbanka kandi ico cyo tukwenda muno wo inezete na muno obero bikakati ombanka omusako keji ebo niko mbanka wina akabuta handi. I may not limit you.
Mindset change. Ngawe nisaba bacyara mutuhindure ahantu tekateshere yitu. Hose habaho opportunities nyinshi za government zo kuhereza abantu tutandikira mu ntandikwa n'izindi kusizira mporambora biraro web n'izindi konka abantu basitwara nk'esabusha nani mbashaba ngo iki project tutajipa sente zisabusha is a revolving fund.
Chakwire Julian mukuru wa Ebo Sacco yahiga abakazi kwejumbiro mu kutwara sente za grow ez government erabizo mu Ebo Sacco okore mirimo yabo omushubuzi
eze sente za grow nezo mukazi oine echakora hecha business eyine kora eyine eyarukora nitsima government ahabwe sente zinde ziyahire abakazi aba smallholder ezo neza PDM.
Ebo Sacco niyo yonke government hire project ya grow omuruburengero izoba.
Kare ntugumizamu na namakuru faza Venancio na abasa yashaba abantu abine abano Middle East ogumizamu baruko bashabira ogunagira ngo orutaro ryo gendo misho omuyihanga eria Iran hamwe na namahanga agajetorire nicetengesa abantu abo okongera kubashabira.
Ebifatha n'abasa yabigambo byabaye bembiro kushabira abana bari mu mahanga ga Middle East okwatebekanisa bwa Hayes Recruitment Agency omurero bo wa Kampala.
Ni wakubadde tuli bononyi ni wakubadde omubiri guno gutukozese bitanakola no mukama Katonda tukwate wechi atwate wechisa akwate kwabo ne ku government ya fe Uganda batwatugwe kwechisa batuyambe bamanye nti abana bafeje bagenda betaaga freedom abana bafeje bagenda betaaga kubagoberera bamanye eche bakola tusabire abantu bafe bano aba company banange mu Uganda kyamazima emirimu terimu ate naba bagirina bagara kufiirako ku mirimu ejo tubasabire tubere no mutima ogwo gwekisa
naye ulira halo musumba kati kino kye bankoze mpulira njagala kufa ufaji bwe baba kye bakukoze tekyakuse kitegeeza tekitta kati gwera boyagala okubayambako wette nze siiza kutuuka ku level ekuyambako bw'oba onyigiriza ng'onyigiriza bya ddala nyigiriza kiggwe naye siiza kukuyambako ate onyigirize.
Abari kutwara abana heru hona nubagira ngo nubagamba nabo bakwatanise na government okureba embere yibarumu.
Social development ne kakasanto mwana takarigira yagenda yihandikise turi kumanya aho yaza hari kuza gukora ine contract nakumarubwire mukingana ki kandi eco nikiraba omu embassy ya Uganda eriyo mu ihanga lya Dubai. So kwaku dire cyabaho cyona embassy ne ba eyigwire kandi nekindi nene coordinating n'abantu bona representatives ba area zona
abantu abutwa twaleba ne bitwatwalera izoba babajya bana barenjire 50 bingi twabatwale mu mahanga ga Dubai na Abu Dhabi tuino kwicirizo mu ruhanga ngo naza kubarinda abakume na nemirimo baraze kola mazimeriyo twabatwara omwanya ogushyikirire kandi n'emyanya baraze kuraramu yona twamanya ngu yona bagitebekanise.
hariho abana b'abantu batwarwa heru y'ihanga kandi twagambaho nabo.
I want to thank ACE recruitment expert for trusting me because I have ever landed in the hand of a buffalo, someone who ate my money and I failed to go. And really, ACE recruitment expert, they are the best.
Ekiri kuntwala kuli abana nenda akyusa muku obula mbukyuke muku obula mutubute ku level eyindi tuyiriibe ekimala zentemye aye ndiba kuziza mwena haze n'ensonga yonka eyinza okola ku nsonga do obulamu bwaterera.
Ebihandiko bya United Nations nibyoreka ngo mwaka gw'2020 abanyayuganda 7,880 nibo babire nibakora omahanga gaheru gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.
Bari Jimmy Muhumuza umurebi wito murungi twongera okusima ahabwo kutereza akire kawe okureba makuru gitu Agacencwire. Katubanze tugaruke tumure okache tugaruka n'amakuru agande.
Katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi okurugerizo abantu banje tibarigaruka kugirenda kwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi ine chama chayo muhute katochi niyeja mutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
noyendebero byanyense birungi ahabwo umwana wawe Chinon High School erukushangwa haruguto rwambara kabare nico kigarukwa mu cyawe bino bwegeso bumutindo bine ona A level omashomaga arts na sciences enshomesa yabo netebana na curriculum mwensya programs zabo nizitebekanisa beji okwika kurunje buzo no kurengaho bakaba basinguzi ombyamagara agabwa nyuma ye class Chinon High School bine ibiciro ry'ibitabo library ejiro bwenje obwo kubuture byo kucondoza abeji okoshomera habwa bonka laboratory erikwera abeji okangahanga ebisya nebyoga abashomesa batendekirweje kandi behireyo ahabwo businguzi bwa beji
okwandika beji nikugenda omisho Chinon High School neshangwa Rwampara aharugutonye gendwa orwambara kabare hihi na Rwampara District Headquarters esimu notu mushashoti 2 chinana nemwe chenda nishatu 13.
Mommy,
yes,
at school abana babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
dabye mbaga ya daddy
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire ekyo shua
katinage bampacking it
Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi mingi. Amashomaga gona ngabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugenda omisho. Tera enamba z'esimu 0772 96 90
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you need for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
ishomero erikyebembire agandi gona omu 2026 ni St Karemba Secondary School Villa Maria nirishomesa abojo n'abishiki kandi biine day na boarding abashomesa batendekirwe gye ebyokurya n'oburaro bw'abeegi biboniire munonga ishomero ry'omu mwanya gweherire ekiri kubasa abeegi okukora kurungi omu bigyezo byabo ishomero eri riine na washing machine ekiri kumanyisa ngu abeegi tibarikuteganisibwa kwozya emyenda abaana nibeegyesibwa okutiina ruhanga kandi bakyebembire omu kutwara emidaari y'okushoma orurimi rw'orujamani St Karemba Secondary School nirishangwa Villa Maria omu district ya Karungu kwenda kumanya ebirikukiraho teera note 75 68 65 96 note 74 55 89 24
makuru agacencuire agecicweka kitu cya kashatu akakiiko akatirweho President Museveni okurambura ebyamagara aka State House Health Monitoring Unit katandikire kucondoza obushuma bw'ebintu na okushaba abarwire sente ebirikugambwa kuba birengine ahirwariro rya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital omurembo orwa Hoima.
Omuhwezi wa mukuru w'akakiiko akatirwa President okurambura ebyamagara ka State House Health Monitoring Unit Dr. Elias Semanda najyangu batungiwe kwetombwita kwinji kurwo mu bantu barikujyangwa okutunga obuhereza irwariro rya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital no banza watugera bashaho
mukuru bogedde ku nsonga y'okujjako abantu sente amazima gali nti mwekiri okay era nkimanyi Dr. Bulu ne bandi amanyi mwekiri ensonga eriwo nti okukwakwata abantu kuki kuzibu kakati mujja kutuyamba nti singa oli abakusabye sente ngolowooza tekisaanidde ennaku tulina amasimu gaffe gano osobola okubaako obujulizi bw'okola ki era waliwo betukutte
Semanda najyangu arona bari kwiba ebintu by'irwariro biri mu battery za motoka z'irwariro za computer obwama burukwate nkuba n'ebindi bikwato bya government.
Regional Referral Hospital involved the issues of theft. There were multiple thefts of very many things in the hospital. Theft of batteries of a new car, a theft of medicines, a theft of laptops, theft of lightning conductors and other metals, and vandalism. And indeed, we established that it is true for some of those, and there is one staff who is under investigation for that, for theft.
When they came about 2 days, we arrested someone trafficking out units of blood. Yes, and this person was arrested. We also arrested someone taking out drugs, was even prosecuted and even arraigned in courts of law. We have arrested very many people. We have arrested people.
Ebibiro obw'akakiiko akakabire kiine ekiganiro n'abantu abarikukwatwa nshonga z'irwariro eri omukyayikisha amaze kya bomo mu rurembo rwa Hoima.
Ensonga ekusembayo abadaktari betwina abadoctors tibakumala. Omukyalo akibalizo kati abaina omwami oli n'akibalizoho yagamba okusanga abalwaire babalikeire bana abayintani tibakamazire kusoma tibamanyire kibasemerire kukola kyokka n'osanga omulwaire ali kubi muno hariho bayintani hariho buno bwana bwanansinga obutoito buno bukutagiza kuno naku nti bumanyire kibusemerire kukola.
Issue y'obutaba na senior surgeon omubwire I faced it habwokuba incident ekabaho kya mukaaga nibatugamba doctor ali supposed kumukoraho taroho till Monday. So obwire obu bukaba bwobunkenke muno esara tukasaba nyingi muno kyokka mukama Ruhanga yatukora kurungi till Monday when that surgeon came kandi yasobora kumukoraho.
Omkwetonganaho Dr. Ibrahim Gagorukura Hoima Regional Referral Hospital ashoborira miringo yibatiro kurwanisa mwabiru kubagambwa aho hirwariro eri.
Tugezaako okujjanjaba naye tukiriza feedback eno twagala tukyuse empeereza tutereere ate njagala okwogera nga nkakasa nti eddwaliro kati tulinawo ekyuma kikazi twateekawo okuweereza kuli better.
If one person tries to extort or coerce you to pay money for a service, please take note of that person. It could be their contact, or you can go even an extra mile before you agree to the transaction, you photocopy that money. We have the police next door. Okay? As you've noted that person will be taken.
Ogutuma urundi rwo kubanza inshonga zo kushaba sente abarwire n'obushomano bugambwa hirwa reri abwo kuba 2025 kikaba cyabireho amakuru agasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Bare Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto ebitongore empabukwezi na nempunjo mu district ya Chegegwa nebetombwiturwa obworo obwonjiro butabanguko maka bamwe omubakazi nibagira ngo ahabwe inshongeje y'ubworo obugabe bwabo no burubaterwa bwira bwasheshe.
Ebigambiro bw'empunji n'abanyabitongore birukuzirebera babiri nibajaguza ekiro cy'abakazi ekijagurizibwa mu kampu y'empunji eya cyaka ya kabiri. Sayuka Santurina umuhwezi wa mukuru w'entebe ya kashatu habwa zone ya Bukere omuri cyaka ya kabiri nagira ngo bworo bukaretwaho kushara sente n'ebyo kurya byabire nibihebwa empunji zona.
Intasa ntari nyingi niye kureta ebisambi ekindi neho abantu bine ebisambi nibabasa kurepinga abwana bwo bwiski oba barepinga bakazi imbere y'ibyo kurya nayo nibasa kwija bwo kuba isente ya mpokere bakagisara habo kuba Trump akasare ibyo akasara obuyambi no reba mukabwa mushija rafune nagamba ka sente kandi yandise takwenda kukaha bakazi
ebitongore bicyatanga imere ni ku bantu bake abengi babiya kumbe nicyo kiri kuteganisa imere mu cyaka abengi tibari kufuna imere konka abandi nibafuna konka nibatekamo n'izo partners nazo nizireta agasente ku bantu bamwe n'abamwe konka tibari kubamara
nko muringo gumwe gwo kurwanisa kizubu cyo bworo no kurubaterera ubugabe bw'abakazi ebitongore bitandikireho inkora yo kwera empunji gukora abana kushoma no kumanya ubugabe bwabo.
Abawala banaira ababaira bazadde tubayambako okulaba muno UNICEF okuva mu government ya Iceland bawaya akasamusamu akasente kano kabayambe okwetandikirawo emirimu atera n'okulaba mbuno sente ezo bazibayamba okutambula ogenda mu malwaliro awamu n'okulaba mbuno bafuna ebintu bye beetaaga ng'abamaama.
Twabetesa kwemanya omukyala twabetesa freedom rights ingashi emashemere kubani bamanya n'obushunanizibwa bwabo n'obugabe bwabo nk'abakyala.
Bwa nyuma yo kushara ubuhwezi empunji zegera emyogo etari emwe n'emwe kwebisaho konkano bagira ngo tikiri kumara.
Ebitongore nidusima ibitongore nibigezaho kutuyamba konka ubuyambi bwo batuyamba tiburi kumara nidusaba aba partners bari hano mu cyaro bongeremo amani bakora ki bayambe ku bakazi.
My message for the women and the girls, the government and the partners, they extending all what they can do for you. What we only request from you, if they give you a knowledge, they give you a startup capital, make good use of the support the partners have given you.
Ekiro cy'abakazi nikikuzibwa buri biro 8 by'ukwezi kwa kashatu buri mwaka konka habwa kampu ya cyaka ya kabiri batijagurize nyuma abazyo gasha kwa Filipo Murangira.
Webare Filipo Murangira buro 8 ebyokwezi kwa kashatu buri mwaka ensiyona nejaguza ekiro cy'abakazi n'ekigenderwe cyo kutungura ubwabe bwabo na no kubutura eby'intunguka ombyanga bibakwa barumu omuringo ngugumwe abana babishiki abarukushomera omatendekero agaryaho mu rurembo rw'ambara naberi izuba bajaguze cureki.
Abana babishiki abariyo mu matendekero ga rengo rwahiguru bajaguze kiro cyabo omukoro gwakorera hitendekero rya Bishop Stewart University. Aba bashaba okuba abacurezi abekambi okamera mu kushoma no kujunwa no kurinda je obunyeto bwabo.
My fellow students, gender equality is not about women issues. It is a human rights issue that belongs to all of us. When we lift each other up, we are unstoppable. Let us leave this place committed to action. Let us give our time, our voices, and our support so that we may all gain a future of dignity and equality.
support and give equal opportunities to women and girls so that they can achieve their full potential.
Mukomureberezi wa Ankole Diocese Dr. Alice Mwesugwa waba umujenyi mukuru aha mukorogu yashaba abana babisho kwejumbira munonga ombwebembezi no kushoma amashomo ga science.
I come with respect and admiration to every woman and girl who has shaped life, a home, classroom, clinic, laboratory, office, and the entire nation and the world.
We don't just fill space because we are women. It's because we are empowered and we have something to offer on the table. And so women and men, we are not saying that men are stronger than women or women are stronger than men. No, we are all strong and we are all weak.
Ukona yareko kwatwaho ahabwa abazira banagirira umwana w'umwojo no bucirabe kiringo bwabe bwabici nabwo tubukakira ha mutindo murungi.
A lot has been done for ladies and you realize that a boy child has been left behind. It is our responsibility as women to mentor them and bring them back in life.
There's a lot of violence targeting women. It's interesting that these days now women also, maybe it's because of women empowerment, they have turned against men also. You go this area, they say, this woman, there is a man, a clip, I don't know how genuine it was, where this man was lamenting in Nyankole that my wife beats me. Does that mean, you know?
Ekiro cy'abakaza munsi yona kikatandukwaho mu mwaka gwa 2011 omul Australia, Denmark, Germany na Switzerland kandi ku rwobwo cyajanjara okwetorora ensi yona gasha kwa Eli Akiza.
Webale Eli Akiza twazagaruka tumure ukacentu garuka n'amakuru y'ebyemizano.
The Antode School of Nursing and Midwifery libetabe jibwena abaheriza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemere kubushyikiro kubarana urujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe kwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field buri mweje na hawo mugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera mugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa rya Ntonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukiraho terano tumushanje 8 mukaga nshanje ni 3 nshanje ni 5 ashatu na 1
hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nabagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi abo ashota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza moto tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abwa chitakushashura ntukozesa momo no tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konkana bwono basakusha baroni ya fizi obwe namashomera gacejumbire mundige basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gwona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Mwami, waza kurgaho yejeko. Hona mazima nyowenka banda. Reba musuru gwanje kugurukusha. Agarahanga taro cintatiro musuru gw'ibicorogo. Buri kiri sacona nchitiremo. Murana kabumwa bazenyo nabo mukasheshe. Konka reba musuru gwa murano rebo gwanje. Nkakugambira ngo mukakapere nandoga konka wayanga hatu wachireba.
hata bichoni byo bikuteze nduru no yabanta amenmo yabawe bichori mukaka pere mushanje nakose Jimusa cha crop champion taro muhinjo migandom arukweza atakaose Jimusa cha crop champion umuhinji wen gose Jimusa cha crop champion abashubuzi muchanje a Joseph Farm Supplies a Kings Plaza omishoga Coppers Complex eduka namba G1 Jimusa ni shango maduka gona omwihanga crop champion the farmer's best choice.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor, so rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
There is a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
kare umakuru agibye emizano ebiri niye zano rw'izuba rya nyuma bazyo umumpaka niye yazanwe rizuba umumpaka za ligue y'amatendekero agaza university kandi tendekero erya St Lawrence rya singa baguru na nagoremwe ahari 0 umuruguru kandi rira university yasinga abamubuz nagori ibiri aharyemwe kandi umuzano gwazanirwa umurira kandi nyuma abazyo abireho umuzano gumwe aho time ya IU nayo esinjire abakumi university na goals na ahari ibiri kandi umuzano gwe gubire umur Kampala.
Gwalero kyo kituufu tegubadde mwangu ku side yaffe kubanga era tuzze nga ba underdog wadde tuli waka kubanga St Lawrence y'omu ku ba opponent abasinga amaanyi mu league eno ffenna ekyo tukimanyi naye era naffe twazze twetegese era tugezezaako kye tusobola tubawadde challenge naye si results ze tubadde twagala si ze tufunye tugezezaako kye tubadde tusobola.
Season eno okusinziira ku season eziwedde ogiraba nga tugisambye bulungi nnyo mu bibinja tuvuddemu tetukubiddwamu yadde omupiira n'ogumu ate nga tukonsidizeemu goolo emu yokka mu mipiira 3 kyendowooza nti kibadde tekinaba kubaawo mu bbanga eriiseeko ettonotono ku St Lawrence. Katonda olw'obubonero obusatu bwe tufunye nja kwebaza abasambi n'abakulembeze ba university nti kubadde kweteekateeka kulungi oza kimu twakikoze mu butuufu bwakyo ensonga kitimu esobodde okwalifyinga okugenda ku rawundi eddako.
Kale makuru aganda g'ebyemizano timu ya Uganda ey'abazaana bali hansi y'emyaka 17 eya Uganda Cubs nayo lizuba yatandika okutendekwa okwetebekanisiza empaka za AFCON eziri kwija kubaho omu ihanga erya Morocco omu kwezi okurukwija. Ozejo tutwabasa okujukusyaho kwera heze kuba ready tuija kujikuletera omakuru agandi izoba erya nyinshi kala makuru agacencwire aho no twagahendera kandi wabanaga kusyaho Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian owo rumi orgo bonero itwendezo kurara kurungi.